Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are visiting one of Bengaluru's most talked about attraction, Aquarium Paradise. If you are planning a family outing and wondering whether this place is actually worth your time and money, then watch this vlog till the end because we are taking you through the complete experience from entrance to exit. The entrance itself looks quite grand and gives you a glimpse of what's waiting inside. Guys, मरमेड शो की टाइमिंग और टिकट डिटेल्स स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं। ये शो एक्वेरियम टिकट के साथ ही इंक्लूडेड है, इसके लिए अलग से कोई चार्ज नहीं लगता। अगर आप बच्चों के साथ आ रहे हैं तो इस शो को बिल्कुल मिस मत करिएगा क्योंकि ये एक्वेरियम के बेस्ट अट्रैक्शंस में से एक है। Finally, time to step into this underwater world.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
The moment you walk in, you are welcomed by beautifully designed tank filled with colorful fishes from different part of the world. The lighting and theme setup instantly create an ocean-like atmosphere. As we move ahead, each section introduces a new variety of aquatic life, from tiny vibrant fish to large exotic species. Every tank has something unique to offer. It is not just entertaining for kids, even adults will find themselves stopping to admire the details. You will also find plenty of beautiful corners, perfect for photos and reels. If you are someone who loves creating content, make sure you will keep your camera ready because there are countless picture perfect moments here. One of the most fascinating areas here has to be the jellyfish exhibit. Watching them gracefully float through the water feels incredibly calming and most magical. Look at beautiful mermaid fountain. The flowing water and stunning mermaid design create such a magical underwater vibe. It feels like stepping into a fantasy world and make the whole aquarium experience even more special. I think Mermaid stole the show. Before we enter the aquarium, just look at this beautiful fountain.
फिश को खाना खिलाना है। फिश को चलो खिलाया जाए। चलो।
जैसे ही हम यहाँ आते हैं मेरी डॉटर की एक्साइटमेंट कंट्रोल ही नहीं होती। उसे पता होता है कि अब नेक्स्ट हम फिश को फीड करने वाले हैं और वो बस उसी का वेट करती रहती है। और ये सिर्फ मेरी डॉटर को ही नहीं, सारे बच्चों को फिश को फीड करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो अब हम जा रहे हैं फिश को फीड करने के लिए।
What do you want to do? Feed the fish. How much?
100.
100. You want to feed? Okay, let's buy. 100. And fish?
One feed, 2 members can go. There's no hand feeding. From top.
Okay, well, from top. Come, 2 members can go. Leave. Hello. Hi. Bro. Oh, they are throwing water.
सीरियसली अगर आप बैंगलोर में हो और अभी तक एक्वेरियम पैराडाइज नहीं आए हो तो प्लीज अपने बच्चे को लेकर आओ यार, बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे, बच्चे बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं। तो ज्यादा सोचो मत, इस जगह पे विजिट जरूर करो। And now it is time for the biggest highlight of Aquarium Paradise, the underwater tunnel. Walking through this tunnel feels like stepping into the middle of the ocean. Look above and around you and you will see sharks and exotic fish swimming overhead. This is definitely the moment everyone waits for. And honestly, it doesn't disappoint. We are really enjoying this tunnel. It feels so magical walking under the water. My daughter is super excited. Sometimes she sees a shark, sometimes a stingray, and every new fish makes her even happier. This is definitely one of our favorite spots in the aquarium. Now we are entering the mermaid show zone. And if your child dreams of becoming a mermaid or a pirate, they can dress up here and click some amazing photos too. You will also find plenty of food and drink options in this area. From snacks to refreshments, everything is available here. So you relax and enjoy your time with your family. If you are lucky enough to visit during the scheduled timings, don't miss the Mermaid Show. Trust me guys, Mermaid Show aquarium का highlight है। बच्चों को लगता है जैसे सच में कोई फेरी टेल वाली मरमेड उनके सामने आ गई हो, इसलिए इस शो को बिल्कुल मिस मत करना। और इस टाइम पे मेरी डॉटर कुछ ऐसा ही फील कर रही है, वो बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गई है मरमेड को देखकर। और मुझे लगता है आपके भी बच्चे उतना ही एक्साइटेड होंगे जितना मेरी डॉटर हुई है। Don't miss the Mermaid Show. It is a fun experience especially for kids and add an extra touch of magic to the visit. अच्छा लगी?
मरमेड
कैसे लगी आपको मरमेड?
मरमेड कैसी लगी?
ऊपर से चली गई। कैसे लगी आपको मरमेड? अच्छी लगी।
दो था, पिछली बार में था,
इस बार 2 मरमेड थी, पिछली बार 1 मरमेड थी। After exploring all the section, it is time to head towards the exit. Overall, the aquarium is well maintained, family friendly, and offers an enjoyable experience for visitors of all ages. So, is Aquarium Paradise worth visiting? If you are looking for a fun indoor activity in Bangalore, especially with kids or family, then the answer is yes. The under tunnel alone makes the visit memorable, and the entire experience takes around 2 to 3 hours. That's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed this complete tour of Aquarium Paradise, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our next adventure. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next vlog. Bye!